Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Prantika Das and I make content on beauty, product reviews, lifestyle and many more. So if you're someone who is interested in these kind of contents, then take a moment and please subscribe my channel, hit the like button, comment down below and share your feedback with me. Okay, with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so today we are going to discuss about Himalayas anti-hair fall hair oil, which prevents hair fall and promotes hair growth. It's written right here. Now let's talk about the packaging. As you can see, this is a transparent bottle with the flip top cap, as you can see here, and right in front it's written the brand's name, anti-hair fall hair oil and everything, and the thing which I just said right now, promotes hair growth and prevents hair fall. And behind the bottle, so the ingredient list is here, how to apply it's written, and everything is written over here. Now let's start with the review. Let's talk about the oil's consistency. It's not very heavy, it is more on the lighter side. And about the fragrance, it's mild but it's a bit on the heavier side, I'll say. For me, it's not very heavy, not very mild, it's in between. And the hair oil is not very sticky, it's very lightweight. As you can see, I have finished most of it. Now I have also added castor oil into this hair oil to promote more hair growth. That's why you can see the color is a bit yellowish on the side, but otherwise it's a transparent oil. Okay, the color is transparent, it has no such color inside it. Now it has bhringraj and amlaki in it, and also methi and neem to prevent your scalp, and many more other ingredients which you can see right on your screen. I have mentioned it right there. This particular product comes in two sizes, one for 100 milliliters, the price is right here, and this is for 200 milliliters, the price is right here. I want to talk about my experience with this oil. Before that, I want to tell you all that whenever you apply any hair oil, you can keep it for 2 hours before you wash your hair, or you can also keep it overnight. Now I am someone who doesn't keep hair oil for overnight. I used to do it, but now I have stopped, so I right now keep it only for 2 hours, and this works for me pretty much. Sorry for the lights today everyone, because the clouds are very much in a playful mood today and they're playing with the sun. Sometimes it's too sunny, sometimes it's just the opposite. Alright, so as we were talking about my experience with this hair oil, now it does control your hair fall, but I have not seen very positive result with the hair growth part. That's why I've added castor oil inside this, so that castor oil can promote hair growth. Now I have started to see the positive result after 5 to 6 uses, but for my mother, when she used it, she has seen some positive result with the hair growth. So it is clear that it works differently for different person. Maybe for the hair growth portion it has not worked for me, but for my mother it has worked. Now overall for me, this product is above average. I kind of like it, but if you want to use this hair oil to prevent hair fall, you can definitely go ahead. But someone who is facing massive hair fall, I don't think so that this is going to be the one for you. This will control, but you also need hair growth, right? So for me, the hair growth portion, it didn't work. That's why I'm thinking to switch on some other anti-hair fall oil. Now if you ask me whether I'm going to buy it again, no, I'm not going to buy it again, because I am open to try many more new products, because I love trying new products. That's why I come up with reviews in my channel. Obviously, if you want to try this out hair oil, please do your own research. After even watching my video, please do your own research, and then if you want to go ahead with this, then please go ahead with this. This is a nice hair oil. It just didn't work for me on this hair growth portion. Otherwise, this is a fabulous product. It controls hair fall. That's what we want, right? And also hair growth. This is it everyone. I hope you like this honest review. See you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.